Did you know you can study at Harvard, Yale, or Stanford for free? Yes, you heard that right. Many top universities offer free online courses through MOOCs. You don't need to apply, write essays, or meet admission requirements. You just sign up and start learning. Harvard alone has over 130 free courses available right now. You can learn programming, business, data science, and more, all from your home. But here's the big question. Are these free certificates really worth it? Free online certificates are gaining recognition. Many employers see them as proof of motivation and a commitment to continuous learning. Some companies like Google and IBM offer their own certificates, which are highly valued in the job market. They focus on real-world skills, making them useful for landing jobs in tech, data science, and marketing. In these fields, practical skills often matter more than traditional degrees. If you can prove your abilities through projects and certifications, you stand out. Talk about college and universities. Some universities may recognize free online certificates for course exemptions, but this is not guaranteed. Most schools see them as a supplement rather than a replacement for formal education. They can help you get ahead in your studies, explore new subjects, or strengthen your resume. But don't expect a free certificate to carry the same weight as a degree. While these certificates offer many benefits, they also come with certain limitations that you need to consider. Not all free courses offer certificates. Some require payment at the end. Free certificates are often less rigorous than accredited ones. Employers might not take them as seriously unless they come from well-known institutions or companies. Also, many people make the mistake of collecting certificates without actually learning. If you just rush through a course for a piece of paper, it won't help your career. How can you maximize your online learning experience? To truly benefit from online learning, it's essential to approach courses with a strategy that goes beyond merely obtaining certificates. Free online courses from reputable platforms such as E-newcademy, CourseCareers, and FutureLearn can offer valuable insights and foundational knowledge in various subjects. However, the key to making the most of these offerings lies in applying what you've learned. Rather than simply collecting certificates, focus on building real projects that demonstrate your skills. For instance, after completing a Python course, consider developing a small application or automating everyday tasks. Showcasing your practical experience is what truly impresses potential employers. While free courses can serve as an excellent introduction to a field, those looking to build a solid career should consider investing in professional certifications. Platforms like CourseCareers provide specialized certificates that are not only recognized but also designed to equip you with in-demand skills that can significantly enhance your employability. These certifications can open doors to high-paying job opportunities and help you stand out in a competitive job market. Moreover, if you're looking to further your education with recognized degrees, FutureLearn offers a range of degree programs from respected universities. Although these courses may require a financial commitment, they provide a comprehensive educational experience that can pave the way for advanced career prospects. It's worth noting that pursuing a full degree online may mean missing out on certain campus-based advantages, such as networking opportunities and work visas for international students. In summary, combine the knowledge gained from free courses with the practical application of skills to make a strong impact. When considering your next steps, platforms like CourseCareers for professional certifications and FutureLearn for degree programs are excellent choices that can significantly advance your career. By focusing on both theoretical and practical aspects of learning, you'll be well equipped to impress employers and achieve your professional goals. What are you waiting for? Start learning today at E-newcademy.com and take your skills to the next level. Subscribe, activate the notification bell, and don't hesitate to watch other free content from E-newcademy.